Esther, come and see something. What? Come and see. Check that video. Oh, he's so cute.
What do you know?
No, I like it.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
How are you? I kept some money in my room. Who took it?
Money?
Yes, money. I didn't use my head to talk. I kept some money in my room. Who took it?
We don't know anything about it.
You don't know anything about it.
Yeah. Probably you ask the guys, maybe they know something about it.
I should ask the guys.
Yes.
They don't come to my room.
Then ask your boyfriend.
Maybe. Excuse you. Hey, I should ask my boyfriend.
Yes.
My boyfriend is a thief.
No, I didn't say that. He's the one sleeping with you. Did I come to your room?
You don't know anything about it.
No.
You don't know anything about it.
No, yes. You don't.
Ah. How can we take your money? We don't know anything.
You clothe us, you feed us. How can we take your money? No way.
Okay. Get ready. The doctor is coming.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's continue watching the video.
Okay. So, these are my friends. Esther and Chantel.
Hi.
So you can go.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be with you shortly.
Okay.
So, babe.
Yes, dear.
Hello.
Hi. Say the almost here, Fena, or now what I say, can you check you and check it?
I don't know this one. Should I know you?
Yeah, I don't know how to, classify him though, but
Okay.
he's part of us. Yeah, he's
Okay.
part of us.
Okay.
Can I say, you man, you told you know.
He's the one working with me.
Okay. Your name, please.
Fanta Black.
Fanta Black.
Yeah, he's Fanta Black.
Men, I mean, you obey my year, you man, I told you, I know.
Yeah, and I'm the one from the state. Yeah, I'm from the state. Yeah, the state of America. Yeah.
Okay. Will you go today? You go today.
Yeah, of course. But they will go. I will stay.
You stay. Okay. You will go today.
That I don't think I'm going. Like, if only you're gonna give me the chance, the opportunity, I would like to.
And your chance no opportunity to be so Beman so on quiet, so you know.
Exactly.
You can stay.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Okay, let's go.
So I'll let my girls prepare you something.
Guys, in there,
let the one in the white dress serve me when they are done.
when
like
you
it?
there.
Oh, that's not what I'm trying to say, but I
Do you
feel
like her?
she's serving me.
Do you like her?
Not really, but I just feel like she, serving me on the dining table.
So when you would yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
Mammy, say, well, no, but when I can so no be never made the Munya Garina, she said, and catch him.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Gary, and as we do, you're more going to go back to
Fanta, excuse me. This place is different from where we are. So please try to comport yourself.
No problem.
So you are staying, so you can talk to her like anytime you want.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You don't have any.
so much.
Babe, let me get them something to drink. I'm coming, please.
All right, darling. You waiting, okay?
Okay.
Wow. You're such a nice person.
Kache mese makonta wa he.
Mesi woni ho.
Yenti no ni wanya he no ya adwuma. Ah, nya mo ne
Mesi woni ho ah. Na wa dey.
Kofi. Makonta wa he fa. Makonta rich wa Kofi. Me mpesa me ni gidigidi. Sase madi kana hyanhia no. Wa nya nsasam bi anka nkyerem. Makonta rich wa. Mo ma me hunu sesi ya.
Ogada ho ma hikwa se.
O se
Uba na upim wakonta rich. Wakonta da be show business.
Dabi nya mo ni ya adwuma. So I have right and audacity to ask you where my landlord is.
You are very stupid.
You are very fool.
You are very stupid to ask me that question.
Masa, we are going to make you so I didn't life with the agreement book. Where is my landlord? Hey,
your landlord.
Where is my landlord?
Was to trust to know why and me case of the baba.
Where is my landlord?
Bema, nyam kwabi na beto mo ha no.
What I will feel by our cries.
Pressure.
What can I say? What do you mean?
No. Listen to me. Sabio sister on your bathroom. Sister on your bathroom. Can you imagine some Quantani sister can I end? No, what him up, get into 2 weeks. Fresh and crab on. Into the answer of Baby Amaconta. What I my young fan is listening to Banyas and Papa Biancanjani and Babu. Na mpacho baby amakonta won mpesa mo kirem ne Kobe San say on Francis tabiema me Francis tan koma be ma
fama ko hwe
ozu mama ka tani ba ya ka tani ba ya dama o wetumi no
na no hu ya dai fanso
hey what man oh asensi anya abotre
wo free information
what man asensi anya abotre nya ndie no what is side mente hwe wa ye mobo
hey ana won so free
what jimpa what ya wo asemasi no ya kan wo asia unni nya sa so be pat Dabi asemasi unni nya oh nya abotre Mame mbuni wie waji wa
sia be manager wa chino what be manager wa chino what
ono yale jalo ono yale
yes na unni ko wari a we be manager ma wari
waji wo the family is so poor the family is so poor so we no atika o
me bacho woni oya woni ni
agba me sabu wa ha no unya na ese hu no akonta no
ana o suspense
o bo so ya me hwa
o she sunglasses here
that bacho me say
Are you sure? I'll try and see if I can prepare you something this evening, okay?
Oh, this is okay.
Are you sure?
So me do it, I mentioned TV more.
So time when shall I call you? Is it remember big your best snacks be okay?
Okay.
I just want you to be okay here. So because I'll be seeing you when you can't it's not the old beside crown on the mom.
Me that was a bit brave, why?
I love watching you eating.
Wow. Then you to eat.
I have to watch you eat. The wood did I not many you almost do you know that so did he even if some did I'm okay. I just want you to be okay.
The BTS sana yeseme so me hwese won so ye okay. E wo mu se wona wo ye bibia but yese won so ye okay. Please.
Can you eat?
Thank you.
Esther, right? Okay. I think this is the right opportunity for me. You know. Seeing here alone, I think it is the plan from the creator of the universe. Okay. There's something that I want to tell you. I've been coming in and out of this house. My reason for coming all the time is because of you. You know, you are the prettiest thing I've ever met, I've ever witnessed in this world. You know something? I want to tell you that I love you. Oh yeah. I love you so much that, I want to take you to my paradise. The paradise that you are the only queen that you will get people to serve you. You get what I'm saying? I love you. You've touched my heart. Okay. I don't want to stretch it. I don't want to stretch it. I want to make it simple for us. Okay. I love you, and I promise if you give me the opportunity, the carry on, the go ahead to be the king of your heart, sweetheart, I bet you will never be alone in this world. Give me the opportunity, and I'll make you the happiest woman in this earth. Okay? You feel me? I'm not done though, but I have a lot to say. But sake of you being this beautiful, I don't have to talk much. You get it? I love you, okay? Give me the chance. Accept me in your heart. Find a place in the heart, a special place in the heart, and fix me there. And I will make it waste, okay? Accept it? Oh, like, why? Is it that I didn't vibe you that much? If you want vibes, sweetheart, I can give you punch on punch, hit on hit. Make the enemy now. Some of the kind of I'm telling you. Meet my vibe, you will feel it in you. But I just want to make it simple. Anyway, you don't know me that much.
Yeah.
But if you want me to break down who I am, sweetheart.
It's okay.
Really?
I'm okay with it.
Okay. So are you my girlfriend?
No.
Anyway, please, I want to ask you for just one thing.
What is it?
And promise you're not going to say no to it.
What is it?
Can I please get your 10?
No problem. You can get it.
That's nice of you. You're too beautiful to, to react to me towards that way. You understand? Give me your 10. And it won't go waste on my phone. Okay. So can I have it? Okay. Okay. Alright. That's your number, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to call you when I get home, okay? Take good care of yourself, okay? You're my angel, you're my darling.
Sorry. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done with you.
Should I help you get some things away? Should I choose something for you?
Oh, dear, let me choose it.
Come, let me talk to you, please. 1 minute. Babe.
Yes, dear.
Sorry. It's about your friends.
Chuchumi.
Me and the other guy.
Oh, okay.
I want you to tell them not to come here in the afternoon. Or even if they come here, they shouldn't go out in the afternoon. And less noise.
Like?
No music. Yeah.
Why?
Nothing. I just don't want that. Someone may call my parents and tell them that I let strangers come here and make noise.
Okay.
So please talk to them.
Okay.
They should not come here in the afternoon. Or even if they are here, they shouldn't go out in the afternoon.
So if maybe they are just going around the compound, what about that one?
They should be inside. Yeah, they should be inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll talk to them.
Less noise, no music.
Okay. But they can watch television.
For sure, they can watch television with low volume.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
please,
have you
talk
done?
to them.
Have you done?
Yeah, I'm done. Should I let someone bring you something to wear?
I need.
You have
I need
1 hour. You have 1 hour to go. I think you can wait for someone to bring you something new to wear.
No.
Please, I don't want you to wear anything from the wardrobe. So let me call the guy to bring you something.
Who's that my coming in the power? Was all that ya children don't free and then met you. He or the way, baby, Timothy. I'm you. I read up now. What's that?
Yes.
And you know, coffee.
Thank you. You're funny.
We are ready up and got the chimney apart. Was a no bomber. A taste no mean any paper.
Okay, that is it. Go straight to the point.
I don't go straight all on the someone you because the bow street.
Yes.
Dana the same pin never. Manager. Now, when I say me, said any baby, and you mean to my cousin, mamma, or car, and papa, as if you baby are. And no one any problem. Let me say, my Missy and I am here. Your church, Missy Pan, make I my bone by 31st, and I say, I'm the call. I saw and time passed.
Okay, I hear you. I'll think about it. Okay.
Think about it there. I mean, same people, they only come, you know, say 2 things. About that, about you know, ask them 2 things.
Think positive. Okay.
Positive. And the answer I can say my friend because I was all kind of what you know, here. I had the 2 MS press do go a cry. They 2 things. Either so with 2 and now I cry, and I say with 2 and now I hearing. 2 things. Hey. And come by about that.
Oh, why are you serious?
What you say? I said the women and Mr. Trim me up. My train say I'm modern tea blend. You know I'm modern tea blend.
I don't know. Okay, I hear you. I think about it. Okay.
Let's see, you have been moving into bed.
When you come here, I'll give you that.
There's a material, some material. I'm going to
Okay. I want to go and cook, so.
Oh, okay.
I'll take my name.
But I have professor that I want to flip because that's what I
you also.
So much as a positive interview. You have a hand. You say, yes, my positive.
Okay, we're ready.
Positive in a new positive because whenever I am saying there, I appear as so yeah, I appear.
What are you doing? Oh, come on.
No problem, my sister.
Take care.
Matia.
Wait,
Yes, dear.
sorry.
Body at Roma. And my dream panty.
I was about to say, no, I'm fine. Like, we are friend, you okay?
Oh, how dear be okay, papa.
This may be so simple. You know, bedroom come be my pen of cry. Don't lie. Because as I know, maybe so no. Don't lie. Because baby can't may think say I got myself from somewhere, but no.
Me and Castro dear tea, mean to me, travel trade the Pialada. If you say the way you make and subdues and say, I'm dry. Not you say, being whom is soon nipper. Mean trade.
So, man can say, why did you lie? And I say, we told me say when your parents net say blah blah blah, but I ain't sure.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day,